Well, today we're going to smoke a brisket. But the first thing you want to do is take your wood chips. We use some mesquite and hickory. But I like to soak them overnight, let them suck up some moisture and water, then drain off the extra water, and it gives you a slower, longer smoke process. Mind you, meat only takes smoke for about 2 hours, 2.5 hours maximum. But yes, it'll give it a nice smoke ring and a wonderful flavor.
Hi, Jason here from Two Old Guys with Crossbows. Greg's out in the shop and I'm here trying to get this brisket ready. So I thought I'd just do a quick talk and then we'll start getting this brisket organized. The smokehouse is going and so we're just getting ready. So the rub we're using is Traeger's beef rub. So we have approximately a 5-pound brisket that we're going to prepare for supper tonight. So according to our directions, it's poke a bunch of holes in this brisket and apply the rub. No, don't have smell-o-vision, so you can't smell how good this rub smells. we just wait for the smoker to come back up to temperature. So the smoker is smoking and almost back up to temperature, so we should be good. 2 hours from now we'll check it again. So we're up about just after 275, which is a little bit high, but turned it down a little bit. Now it's just learning to regulate the temperature on this, and life should be good. So after 5.5 hours, this is our finished brisket. It turned out quite well. A nice smoke ring on it, and it tastes very good. Okay, so that's how supper's turned out. It looks very good.
Potato salad, peas, pierogies, brisket. Okay, let's taste the brisket, see what it tastes like. There's a piece right there. And it's just falling apart. Wow, come on, nothing's cooperating. There we go. Oh yeah, that's good, so tender.